AudioLink can be used for conventional phone calls and also for voice-over IP services such as Skype or FaceTime. Make sure AudioLink is paired with your phone or other Bluetooth device and is active. Use the attachment clip or lanyard to position AudioLink close to your mouth. To make a call, select the number or contact on your phone as normal. The audio from your phone will then be streamed to your audio processor. If you receive a call, press the main button to accept the call. To hang up on an active phone call, press the main button once. To reject a call, press and hold the main button for 2 seconds.